They call me Find me. They don't even know my name. I never fuck your spirits. Go and begin to bring people to this place.
Yes.
They said people are coming. We are taking the attack from Africa. Nobody break me. And I said, we have fighting what if you can attack us? Who will rescue us? I said, police, the same crime, they are threatening and threatening people. They are going to attack us and beat us. I hereby draw your attention to me, get them arrested now. They cannot attack this police from us because they are here to represent their entire Nigeria. We are calling their diaspora. We are mothers of this nation. We are fathers, all youth, all children. People are dropping dead. We don't have general hospital. You can't sick and walk in general hospital. People are dropping dead. People cannot afford to pay. They go to the market. People cannot eat. If I'm walking, I can eat too scared. What about other people? Sitting as skyrocketed. Government, the whole system has been stratified. In electricity, we are by 8, by 2, by 3.
Why? That is discrimination.
There is no equity.
Discrimination.
They will just stratify the whole system. And this is what the dream. This dream of Nigeria we are praying for. And this is not in Nigeria. By the virtues of the right enshrined in the democracy, we all have equal rights. We have equal rights. So therefore, government must come and we are calling them. They must arise now, not tomorrow. Now we are calling on them. If truly they are representing us, we are here to gather to express our grievances, not to attack police. We are pressed.
We are so
the cooperative of police. The CP came
no
here.
Violence.
When police came, other people from the KJ came to join us and said, no, we are also here. And we've been able to control the trade. Can you see?
Morning.
When I discovered the fact, I said, please, people should join hands with me. Let's put them back. So that by the time we don't control them, they will tell us. We told them. When I said, madam, you're a leader, I said, I'm not a leader. I'm also one of the protectors. But where we have lawyers and journalists, they are meant to coordinate the affairs of that occasion. And that's why we are here to control. We make sure
this Koikimedia, this protest is taking place right here in Ojota Lagos, Nigeria.
Even the CP went into the California Freedom Park. They bomb detonation, they went around to see whether there's no bomb, and they tested it, confirmed that place okay. People said they need it from up, they said so. And that's in fact, when CP came, you see the police en masse, they walked into the California Freedom Park, they showed the place is safe. And I said, before I allow people to go to confine area, but we can maintain here, people not spacing to the road. And that's how we can do this. Of course, I told them to block it up permanently. That everybody will go into the park, through the front door. They just block in the morning. We made a the police will monitor those who are going. Anybody who attack, and I say that.
What's your name, mommy?
My name is Abiodun Kolawole. Okay.
Okay, please, can you speak a little bit of Yoruba because I am representing. Okay, good. Please, just give us how you've been saying in English. Just say to Yoruba, please.
Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run tó dá Nàìjíríà kì í ṣe Ọlọ́run tó ṣì. Kì í ṣe Ọlọ́run tó ní kí a wà nínú ìnira. Kì í ṣe Ọlọ́run, ó jẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó jẹ́ Ọlọ́run owú. Tó dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí nǹkan kan wà ní dọ́gbadọ́gba ó dá ìmọ́lẹ̀ ó dá òkùnkùn àwa ni kó dẹ̀ pé àwa nínú òkùnkùn àwa nínú ọgbà àjàrà àwọn ẹranko tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn ènìyàn kì í ṣe ohun tó ń fojú parẹ́ òun ni gbogbo wa ṣe wá sí ìbàyí àwa fún tara wa nìkan tí ibi bá lè jẹun ẹ̀mẹ́ta àwọn kan wà
ó lè jẹun
obìnrin kan wà ní ìta ọ̀dì ní Port Harcourt òun ìgbà tí gbogbo ayé su ó dẹ̀ ra oúnjẹ ó máa ń rajẹ gbèsè ọkọ̀ òṣìṣẹ́ ó dẹ̀ ra oúnjẹ ó fi májèlé sí ó dẹ̀ parí ayé gbogbo ọmọ àti ọkọ àtòun náà pé àwọn ò rí bàlújẹ́ mọ́ àwa ń sọ fún ìjọba wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí president gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè wọn náà wọ́n lè ṣe lọ́sọ̀ fún wa ẹni ẹ lè ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá ń bẹ̀ àwa ń pè wọ́n jáde báyìí àwa ń pè gbogbo àwọn gómìnà gbogbo tó wà ní orílẹ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó àti ìpínlẹ̀ Ẹdó ilẹ̀ Yíbò ní ilẹ̀ àríwá ní Haúsá a pè wọ́n jáde wọ́n wá wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ sí gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ń kú lójoojúmọ́ wọn lè lọ sílé ìwòsàn àwọn èèyàn lọ sílé ìwé àwọn ọmọ wa ti di fáwọn náà àwọn ọmọ wa nítorí pé wọn ò ríṣẹ́ ṣe wọ́n ń ṣe olóṣó wọ́n ń ṣe yàwó ó ti tó gẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n jáde wọn gbọ́dọ̀ threaten wa mọ́ kọ́ máa ní àbẹ́rọ́ ipe kẹ́nìbọ́dì máa jáde a lè jáde ká fi ìwọ́nú wọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ọ̀tá wa lára láti wá sọ pé àwọn máa àtàkì wa a sọ fún wọn pé a ní jẹ́ kí nǹkan tẹ ṣe ní ọdún kẹrin sẹ́yìn ó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ nítorí pé jẹ́ ìwọ́nú là ń lọ àwọn ọlọ́pàá mo lè fẹ́ dúpẹ́ pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá ọlọ́pàá olórí Èkó ó ṣe jaya mẹ́fà gbùdùgbùdù méje àti gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá náà wọ́n dúró tì wá wọ́n náà wọ́n àtàkàdé àwọn àtàkì yóò àbá ti wá àwọn sọ ìlú tó orílẹ̀-èdè ìyàpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ń kú lójoojúmọ́ wọ́n ní ká ní sùúrù wọ́n lè lo propaganda wọ́n wá ń sọ òyìnbó lọ́la òyìnbó tí ò lè gàrí lọ́jà òyìnbó lọ́la tí ò lè ra ráìsì ẹ wo àpò ráìsì wọ́n ní 85,000 sálárì tí wọ́n sọ fáwọn NLC kò lè tó ṣẹ́nu ayé wa.
ọjọ́ mélòó ni ẹ fẹ́ fi ṣe protest yìí bá.
àwọn ọ̀gá ní ọjọ́ mẹ́wàá ni a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé a ti já ojú ẹ̀ lénìí àdẹ̀gbà apáláṣẹ I promise wọn apáláṣẹ pé a ní àtàkì ẹnikẹ́ni àwọn ọmọ ọ̀tá ti wá àtàkì wọn náà ti sọ fáwọn pé káwọn àtàkì àwọn tó bá ti péjọ pé káwọn àtàkì wa àwa sọ pé a ní jó sí ìlú tẹ̀ ń jó ìbànújẹ́ tẹ̀ ń jó bí ẹ bá lùlù ìbànújẹ́ èyí lè máa jó sí ìlú ìbànújẹ́ yín èyí lè máa kó ìbànújẹ́ nítorí tòbínúbí là ń ṣe àwọn ọlọ́pàá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn ó dẹ̀ tún máa kọ̀ntínú lọ́la a dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ pé bàbá ṣe ń wá ẹnikẹ́ni ò gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́yàn kókó jà a máa fi ẹnu sọ ni ìtúsílẹ̀ only freedom can only come by way of expression and the struggle come by way of expression wọ́n ní ìtúsílẹ̀ ó lè wà pẹ̀lú láti máa fi ẹ̀hónú hàn kì í ṣe ká dákẹ́ ìjọ ká lè máa kú síbẹ̀ lọ ẹ wo lọ síbítù ọkùnrin kan kú wọn lọ sí ìwé mímọ́ sọ yìí pé ó ní òun àti Kùránì nítorí pé àwa Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti fi sàlámà lẹ́kùn in Jesus name ethnicity wọ́n ti fi brainwash wa so we must.
Yeah, mọ́mí wa láti iléeṣẹ́ Koikimedia ní UK ní àwọn àti wa fún ọjọ́ kí ẹ fẹ́ kí ẹ ń protest náà.
ọ̀gá kí òyìnbó lè jẹ́ tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ inú wa dá wọ́n wá ní báyìí àti àfẹ́ kì í ṣe ẹ̀kú ìtì nìyẹn kì í ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ gba ìgbé òfò
In this box. And they say they are going to. Don't we have rights to protest? Now, which of them can say they are proud to public school? Exactly. Is there any children in this country?
No.
to learn. Okay, please. What exactly do you want the government of Nigeria to do? Probably without subsidy, or you subsidy will be reversed.
Nobody help of Nigerians. They are bringing money for themselves. How can you buy an SUV for 160 million naira? What is that? They are changing the national anthem by the British. That's a British that useless. Do you know how many millions they pay? It's not our problem to change the national anthem. That's not our problem. What we want is Nigeria to be good. Let everyone be able to feed. Things will be okay. We are no more giants of Africa. People don't say that I say Nigeria is giant of Africa. Not anymore. We are no more giants of Africa. Everybody are hungry. Everybody are hungry. I don't like it. We are suffering. We are suffering. We are hungry. You cannot go out. When you go out, who will you beg for food? Who will you beg for money? Now the people are begging for food. If you come with me and say, I don't go. I say, everyone can go. That one is down. And I go. Because OLAKUNLE. You'll still be getting down. Every don't bread. And if you don't take it, they'll start robbing. Our youth will start robbing. If you don't take it, because there's no money. Graduates are outside. That was the day I entered a public vehicle. The whole conductor was speaking good English. I asked him, like, what do you do? Your English is well college. He said, Auntie, I am a graduate of mass comm. That he came out with 2 words. Yes, that's what he said. But there's no job. And he needs to feed. A whole conductor. That he needs to feed. That he has parents, they have younger ones. They all mass communication.
We want food. We don't want national anthem again.
Why are you changing national anthem? What's our opinion of national anthem?
We want food. We are hungry.
Thank you very much.
When we find the economic of this country today, how much was this before? This one, before you pick it it off for 100 naira.
How much is it now?
So then you can get this one now for 500. This one you can also get it for 500.
What about the onions?
The onions you can get it for equivalent of 500 also.
If you can sell this one for me for 500 naira, we buy everything.
But if you go down to my toy market today, if you go to my toy market today, yes, I think it is even more too much. It is even more expensive than the way I display this one.
So how much is this tomato?
It's 1,000. 1,000 naira. This thing is 1,000. You cannot get this one for 500.
I'm saying this for a reason.
It's not 500.
Hold on.
This tomato now, you can get one for 500. Okay, you will buy everything. I did not bring it here for selling purpose. Yes. But I'm just trying to display what is happening in the country now. I did not bring it here for sale, but I'm just telling you.
If you don't bring it for sale, the price you are giving this market, this tomato is too small. This is the price you are selling.
What I going to say to the government? What I want to say to the government?
Yes, sir.
Even as cheap as this one, it's even more expensive than that outside.
So what do you advise? What do you say to the government?
My advice to the government is that the government should rise.
Please share the broadcast, share, like, comment. Please share the broadcast. Let it go viral.
Even this price I'm giving you here, I'm just giving this price.
It's not the price. It's not the price.
But actually, it's not the price.
It's not the price. We don't reduce it. That's not the price.
But we are begging. I am only trying to call on His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So please do this.
Someone is there want to buy 500.
We are calling.
They are selling for 500.
Somebody say he wants to buy. We are calling on the government
To do something about it.
So please do something about every sector.
Let me ask this question. Okay. Is this protest about tribe?
No.
Is it about religion?
No.
What is it about?
It is all situation.
It's just
They say I don't protest. Why? Did I have a right? Am I not a citizen of Nigeria? Am I not a citizen? I cannot afford my children's school fees anymore. My work is done. I cannot do anything. One bag of spent of beans that is 12,000. Beans where people know the chop. Beans where people know the chop. Now look at it. Fire has gone to 900.
us. Enough is enough.